Think you know all the capital cities? Let's see. How about this one? Australia. Yes, it's Canberra. If you said a different answer, keep watching so you don't embarrass yourself again with people. If you said it right, congratulations. But I bet you cannot explain why is Canberra. Keep watching Culture Explorer to learn. The real capital cities you didn't know about. Canberra edition. While Sydney and Melbourne are more renowned, this purpose-built city became Australia's capital in the early 20th century. The story behind this choice is a blend of history, geography, and national unity. To begin, Canberra's status as the capital city is steeped in history. When Australia federated as a nation in 1901, a capital needed to be chosen, and it was no easy task. Sydney and Melbourne both sought this honour, and to resolve the rivalry and promote national unity, it was decided that a new capital would be established, Canberra. What makes Canberra truly unique is that it was purposefully designed as a capital city. An international design competition was held to select the city's layout, and American architect Walter Burley Griffin's plan won. Canberra's geographical advantages played a pivotal role in its selection as Australia's capital city. The unique topography of the region, with its picturesque Lake Burley Griffin and surrounding hills, offered an ideal canvas for creating a city that was not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Lake Burley Griffin, which was created by damming the Molonglo River, not only enhances the city's beauty, but also serves practical purposes. It provides a natural buffer zone, adding to the city's security, and offers recreational opportunities for residents and visitors alike. Canberra's selection as the capital was not just about history and geography, it was also a symbolic choice. The city was envisioned as a symbol of national unity, where the divisions between the competing states would be left behind. The central location, equidistant from Sydney and Melbourne, was a physical representation of this unity. Hey, wait a second. If you want to keep learning stuff to get a bit smarter every day, before we continue with the video, we wanted to invite you to subscribe to our channel real quick and comment it down below so you get our response. Over the years, Canberra has evolved into a major political and administrative hub. It's home to Australia's federal government, Parliament House, and numerous government institutions. During the early 20th century, as nations across the world were concerned about security and foreign threats, Canberra's inland location became a key factor. The city was less vulnerable to attacks from the sea, a significant advantage given the geopolitical uncertainties of the time. Moreover, the city was designed with security in mind. The wide streets and carefully planned layout allowed for effective defense in the event of an emergency. This was an important consideration, as the nation's capital needed to be both a political and strategic stronghold. Today, Canberra stands as a symbol of Australia's independence and sovereignty. Now, we want to hear you in the comments. Did you know Canberra was the capital city of Australia? This is the end of the video. Hope you learned something new with us today. Please give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel to keep getting enriched from our content and share the video with someone you know will like it.